that makes loud and soft.
Loud sound.
Loud.
An animal that, basahin mo, an animals
And animals that make
loud.
and soft.
Walang and. Ulitin mo ang basahin niya, no?
And animals that
Walang S.
an animal that makes
May S.
Loud sound.
Ulitin mo.
An animal
Ulitin mo nga.
an animal that makes loud sound.
O, anong sagot? Magdodrawing ka.
Ano yung loud, ma?
Ano bang Tagalog ng loud?
Hindi namin pinarad.
You heard outside. What is that?
Wolf. 2.